Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tint-free windows. There's rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 7,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.